If a man and a woman have a child out of wedlock, the mother has 100% custody of that child. And even though the father is on the birth certificate, even though the father's been to court for child support purposes through the Department of Revenue, and they said, you're the father for child support, and that's it, just child support. So if mama says, well, you know what, I'm not going to give you visitation, and you call the police and the police come, they're going to say, sir, it's a civil matter. You're going to have to take this to court. Because in the case law, in this situation, you are the biological father. But on paper, you are a legal stranger. There has not been an order of paternity. Now, if you're married and you have a child in the marriage, there is a legal presumption that that child belongs to the woman and the man. Now, if, let's say, mama goes out and has a one-night stand or has an affair with somebody, and all of a sudden she has a child and she knows it's not hers, but it's born of the marriage, the courts look at it as if it is, even though the kid looks like the other person, and they're chubby, they got curly hair or big nose, or one of those Jay Leno jaws, and you're just the opposite. Like, that's not my kid. You are still responsible, and if you go to court, you may even have to pay child support if you move out or for some reason like that. So how do you take care of situations like that? Hey, it's not my kid. You go to court and you do a disestablishment of paternity, and there mama would have 100% custody of that child. So to recap real quickly, if a child is born out of wedlock, mama has 100% custody of the child. And if she wanted to go to Afghanistan, I'm moving to Afghanistan, I'm going to go to the capital and open up a teach English school, and I'm taking our child with us, there's nothing dad can do. Aha! Call the attorney that rides, because what we'll do for you is we'll file a paternity action, okay? We'll get a determination, and if mama says it's not you, we'll do a DNA test. And if the DNA test comes in, it's yours, we'll get an interim order of paternity. Now you have rights, you have standing to come forward and say, okay, I want a parenting plan, I want time sharing, I want to spend time with my child, I want to get involved and be able to go to the school and not have the school give me attitude because I don't have a paternity order. So if you have a child out of wedlock and you need a paternity attorney, you're looking at them right here. Give me a holler. Hey, if you like this video and you want to know more about what's going on at the Attorney That Rides office, just subscribe right there in the corner down there, and then there's a little bell. You just bing, bing, just touch the bell, and they'll send you a little something like, hey, Gabe put out another video. So anyways, subscribe.